Hi guys, I'm back with the new sessions today, and I'm going to teach you today in Learn Tally how to create item in bulk in multiple stock item creations. So previously in the previous sessions I have taught you how to create stock item in a single entry mode or in a single mode. Now today I'll teach you how to create items in bulk or in multiple creation mode. Multiple means more than one. You can make more than one item in one shot and in one mode. So let's move on to the process. In the same, let's go to move on to the tally. As I have already opened my tally, no, I have to open my tally again. This my tally is getting start, taking some time to do the network problems. Yeah, I'm coming in my education mode. Yeah, my company is open, already exist. So let's move on the same process. You have to go to inventory info. How today I'm going to teach you how to create stock items in multiple creation mode. Multiple means more than one. You can make more than one stock items in one shot or at a time. Inventory. First, you have to move to the step. You have to come to the gateway of tally, as you all know. Then move to the steps. First, you have to select the option inventory info and stock items. Then this one was single stock item mode. Now I'm coming with the multiple stock item modes. Now create. Yeah, this will be under group. Under will be all items. Take as the all items. Number one. Suppose I'm dealing with the mobile phones companies, smartphones. I'm having a showroom in Bangalore, and I'm selling smartphones and having a showroom there. So I'm keeping the respective types of different types of brands in my showrooms. So I'm creating my stock and what items I'm keeping, what brands I'm keeping. So I'm creating the name of that those items. So take the as example, I'm keeping Redmi, Vivo, Samsung, everything. So I'm making creating an item. First I'm keeping Redmi 5, and the primary it will be. Then as you all know, it will come under pieces. So take it as a pieces. I don't have an opening balance. I don't have this stock. I have to buy and I have to sell. But suppose I'm keeping all this item. Then Redmi Pro, Redmi Pro, same pieces. Then I'm keeping Samsung 1020 model number, same pieces. Then Vivo Y95, same pieces. Then Vivo 620 model number is there. Again, I'm coming to the next number 6. So only 5 model I'm going to create. Number 6 item hasn't come yet, or I don't want to create anymore. Only 5 items I'll create in one shot. So what will I'll do? In 6 number, they're asking what's the name of the item. I'll not do anything. I'll just press enter, skip, and then I'll accept, or I'll type yes, or I'll press the Y button on the keyboard. So I'll just press enter on the keyboard. It will accept. See. Now you can go to display and you can see all items has been created. Samsung 1020 model, Samsung Pro 2, Vivo 620, Vivo 190. So this is how I have created multiple types of items or multiple types of brands or more than one types of brand in one shot. This is how we can make. So I hope you all remember this and you'll practice in your house. And if you have any problems or queries, you can surely contact me. I'll there to cooperate you. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.